Hello students, your topic is use of tracing paper. Okay, so whatever size paper you will get, you can use it. On that, in the middle of the page you have to draw 20 by, see, you are getting rectangle, 20 by 10 centimeter rectangle. Okay, 20 by 10 centimeter rectangle. Then here I'll show you how to use tracing paper and complete design. Okay, so let's start. Here for design, students, you can select any design. Then we require tracing paper, one plain paper of any color and colors. Okay, so see, mainly you have to learn how to use tracing paper. This is tracing paper. On that I have done one design. Okay, whatever design you want to do, you can do once, but same design you cannot repeat again and again. So we are using this tracing paper. Right, now how to use, I'll show you. Okay, this is my design. Okay, 1, 2 times we have to repeat this. Okay, one more design I have, this one. So whatever design you are doing, if you want to repeat it, then you can use a tracing paper. Okay, I will make this design. Now to make symmetrical design, 2 times I have to repeat. So what I will do, I will make symmetrical 2 parts, means 10 centimeter, I got 2 parts. Now here center of this box I will take, here it is, and it's here it is, right? So I'll hold my this design, I'll mark this is my center, so I'll place this design here. Okay, and place it properly. Okay, already first what you will do, you will draw design on the tracing paper, and that same design, if you want, you can draw once here, trace it on the tracing paper, and then you can reverse it here. But now I have done here first, so what I'll do, I will place it here. Okay, and then with the bottle I'll place it properly so that my paper should not move, tracing paper should not move. Then I'll take one bottle and I'll repeat this again and again. Okay, on the line I will press it. When you'll remove your paper, you will get your design in the back. Right, so now you can make your lines clear. These all lines will make clear. Here we are getting guidelines. Okay, so this is our design. Okay, one side is clear now. If you want, you can change little, which easily you can repeat here. Okay, one side we got it, right? See, now your design is clear. Okay, and it is in the middle of this box. Now same design, reverse we'll use here in the middle of the second box. Okay, Now what I'll do, we have to place it like this, reverse, no? So we have to place it like this. So I will draw these lines here this side with pencil, so that I'll take darker pencil, so easily it will trace out. Full design in the back of the paper we will trace out. See, okay, I repeated all lines. Now what we'll do, we'll keep our this same paper reverse in the middle of next box. We want symmetrical, that's why reverse side we are using. Again same way, join sides. Okay, then start pressing from back. On all lines we'll press, we will get pressing of this very lighter it is. So now with the design, we'll see this design and make our this design clear. Okay, so this line is like this. All lines I will make dark. Same type of eyes we will complete here also. Now these lines, okay. See, we got symmetrical design, right? Both these sides are same and it's in reverse. Okay, so this is our design. Now I want to add something. See, here I have one design already, it is done on the tracing paper. This is a flower, I will trace here. I want it here. So I will draw its back, or I'll repeat first this side. I'll make it darker. Because we want help of tracing paper to make perfect symmetrical design. Okay, I will touch this both the side and from this side you can press with bottle or you can repeat with pencil. Here I'll show you. I'm repeating with pencil so that same time I'll get this side also darker, because we have to reverse, no? And it's very small design, so I'll do it with pencil only. At a time I'll finish my back drawing also and tracing also. Now the same, what I'll do now, I'll reverse this side and the same flower I'll place opposite side in same angle. Okay, in same angle. How would say angle? According to that I'll place here. Again I'll repeat with pencil or with bottle I will press. Anyway, you have to take impression of lines in the back. See, any method you can take reverse side. I'll make it dark. And this technique is useful for you in the intermediate exam, elementary intermediate grading. See, both the sides are symmetrical. The same way you can trace out more design, okay, but this is I think enough. Now you can color it in any color scheme. You can use primary color scheme, you can use secondary color scheme, whatever. Okay, very important thing is how to use tracing paper, you come to know now. Okay, so tracing paper, what method I told? Trace out, first you draw on the tracing paper, then hold it in one side, press those lines with bottle, then reverse it in another side and again press with the bottle and you will get this impression. Okay, practice this. Okay, you have to color it, use any color scheme, primary or secondary. Enjoy it.